A serious injury or wrongful death can be one of the most traumatizing experiences a person may live through. The days, the weeks, and months following an event like that, it can be extremely difficult and overwhelming. That's why you want to make sure that you have a team to take care of all the details, making sure you are protected. Founding partners Alex DeLucio and Mike Morgan, they are here from MDK Law Group with some reasons why they should be the ones that you call and how they can help you. Great to have both of you here. I know your clients are so important to you. You want to make sure that they do feel secure. Why is it important to have someone on our side, Alex?
Well, it's extremely important to have an experienced attorney by your side. Like you mentioned, a serious injury and wrongful death is a traumatizing experience.
Yeah.
It's something people shouldn't go through, but it happens. And so having someone that knows what the next steps are afterwards, someone that can protect your rights and give you the information you need to kind of lead you through the next weeks and days, it's very important.
How do you and your team go about holding those accountable?
Well, first off, like I said, time is of the essence right away. Having the attorney right there to know how to move forward is just incredibly important. And from there, you have to know your damages. You're going to have medical bills piling up. You're going to have future medical bills. You're going to have wage loss. There's going to be future wage loss. There's going to be property damage. And the big one is loss of enjoyment. When there's a wrongful death, someone loses their parent. They don't have them for those important moments in life. And there's tremendous value there because it's a huge loss.
Yeah.
And then finally, there's punitive damages, which is the damages used to punish bad acts.
And so, Mike, when we're going through this, I mean, we talked about some of the more serious cases. How do we know what type of accident requires legal attention?
And that's often a question people have when they come to visit us is, how do I know if my circumstance qualifies? And so the types and kinds of cases that we customarily get involved with would include accident cases, motorcycles, vehicles, trucks, job site accidents. For example, someone's on a construction site and there's a fall or a serious injury, sometimes worse, there's a death. Yeah. We get involved in those circumstances if there's a burn injury, very serious injury, very serious medical bills, very serious damages. We get involved and help with those individuals and those families that have been through these traumatic events and sometimes continue on without their loved one who they may have lost.
And it's so many different moving parts. You kind of touched on it, from our personal healing to getting our families back to normal. You stay in contact with your clients throughout the whole process.
Right, and so one of the things that makes MDK different is that we believe that if you've hired an attorney, you should have access to that attorney. You need legal advice and it should come from the attorney that you're working with. So our clients have a direct line to each of us. If they ever have a question, they not just pick up the phone, they can call, they can text us, and they're going to hear from Alex, they're going to hear from me, or they're going to hear from our partner Sargon. And that gives our clients a level of comfort and confidence in knowing that they're talking to the top person. They don't get filtered through staff or other attorneys.
Peace of mind.
Yeah, there's peace of mind and comfort in knowing that the top person is on their case.
And about 30 seconds, give us our MDK legal tip.
MDK legal tip is to contact an attorney right away. If you, a friend, or a loved one has been through this type of an event, it's important that you get the information you need to know how to move forward and what your options are. If you call MDK, you're going to know all those things, and it's a free consultation.
Very important. Thank you, guys. We appreciate you. We want to give you a special offer this morning. The first 50 callers, you are eligible for a contingency fee starting at 24%. MDK Law Group, they're located at 2210 North 7th Street. That is in Phoenix. The number to call, 623-CALL-MDK. That's 623-225-5635, or visit their website, mdkattorneys.com.